My background, I've worked in the financial services and retirement plan space since the year 2000. I've run the gamut from Merrill Lynch to my own investment firm to a robo-advisor in the retirement space. And now I want to give people access to that IRA money that I actually spent 15 years helping people put into those accounts to invest in things that are beyond stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. I think right now, in a rising interest rate environment in 2019, a lot of fintechs have gotten very large and very well funded being on the liability side of the balance sheet, basically giving people money. That's going to cause a squeeze, and there needs to be innovation now on the asset side of the balance sheet. So essentially, fintechs have gotten sophisticated enough today to turn to a system where they're equipped to ask people for money, and they're in a position to either manage it or move it around in a much more cost-efficient way than I think the traditional incumbents are. We have a digital platform, and we let people take their IRA and old 401k money, keep the tax benefits, and invest those proceeds into alternative and private investments. Our technology basically allows a lot of the private and digital investment platforms that have been created over the last handful of years, everything from the ability to buy rental property online to buying digital assets and digital currencies, and access the almost $10 trillion in retirement accounts that are basically 99.5% invested in the publicly traded markets. Whenever you talk about retirement accounts and doing anything that's outside of what's been understood for almost 4 decades now as the status quo, I think people are afraid. The way we view it is to achieve 21st century diversification, individuals need to have access to investments that go beyond the public markets to truly be diversified today. I think that Rocket Dollar and companies that allow investment access to alternatives and non-publicly registered investments is going to become a very, very big space, mostly because those markets as a whole have been larger than the public markets that we know today, although they haven't been accessible by the broader American public.